Hi, hello there. I'm Steve, the AI Teacher Guide. Welcome to my channel where we teach teachers how to save time and build better resources by leveraging AI. Now, if you are enjoying these videos, please do give us a like and subscribe down below, as it does help out with that YouTube algorithm. The question that I'm going to answer today was posed by Mark, who's a drama teacher, and this is a really cool, common sort of question. Let's have a look at what Mark was asking. So his question was, is there an AI that can read a play script, then tell me how many times a character appears and on what pages? I'm looking to create an entire spreadsheet of all the characters and what pages they appeared in. So I had a bit more of a chat with Mark, and we worked out that he wanted to have a crack at Romeo and Juliet. So let's jump on in. So I opened up this link and I downloaded the PDF. And that's going to be the first thing that you want to download and upload in. So this PDF has all the different bits of information inside of it. Now, my prompt's a little bit more detailed. You might be able to do this a little bit simpler, but I personally like doing this because then it gives it more context and then it hopefully gives you a better output. So first step, we want to imagine you are an expert English and drama teacher. Your task is to perform analysis of the text that I have uploaded. It must be detailed and concise. Cool. And then you are an expert Python coder. So we're going to use Python coding here behind the scenes and can upload a whole document into an appropriate format where you have the character and their lines listed, saved in an array. I will ask you to perform 3 tasks, one at a time. Your first task is to identify all the unique characters. Cool. So that's uploaded the Romeo and Juliet. It's then going to create some Python scripting here, which is then going to do some really cool analysis here to try and work out what's going to happen. So it's going to go through and try and work out from the text, what is the sort of structure? And then it's going through and analyzing that, which is really cool. So it's taken that information and worked out, this is how the PDF was formatted. And then it's gone through and worked out all the different characters, which is pretty cool. And then also the prologues and whatnot. So it has most of the characters here, which is pretty cool. Then we're going to do the next step. So your second task, and the reason why we don't do this all in one big go is it can overload it because it's a little bit too much information for it to try and work out. So your second task is, and what did Mark want? He wanted to count how many characters appear. Is to count how many times a character appears on each page. So it's going to go through and then work out exactly how many times that character appears on each of those different pages. I quickly looked through Romeo and Juliet. It looks like there was 87 pages. So if we open up the text here, you can see there's 87 pages of text that is quickly going through and sort of searching through, which is pretty cool. And then they've gone through and displayed that on a table, which is pretty cool. So, and I'm guessing that's pretty complex. So, now you have this information. Please create a table with 3 columns. The first column is the name of the character. The second column is the total number of times the character has spoken, and then the third column is the page numbers that they have appeared. See how that goes. So it's creating a summary table. Capulet, John, Juliet, Lady Capulet. Let's see this. How many lines does Romeo have? It should be 163 for Romeo. Cool. Just proving that. And then a little bit of error checking. Let's see, Romeo, page 16. Romeo's there. Also 15, cool. Awesome. Right, so then the last step here, we want to create a spreadsheet. Now, export this to an Excel spreadsheet. That's going to get exported, and again, it's going to use Python code to build it. And you just click on that. And then there's your list, which is pretty cool. So hopefully that's given a bit of insight of how to do this. Pretty straightforward. There may be a few little glitches in that, but at least that's giving you a main overview. You can play with that, tweak with it, and hopefully Mark enjoys this video. That's it for me. If you did, again, enjoy this video, please do give us a like and subscribe down below, as it does help out with that YouTube algorithm. That's it for me. Thanks again from the AI Teacher Guy. Adios.